Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to start reviewing a new Linux distribution. It is called Dekuve and this is the website of Dekuve. So on the top there is a bar with information regarding the project, the public offer or the contract that the developers have with the end users. Then there is a link to the community. It is an open source project and there is a link for the support. Now Dekuve Linux is meant for new users, so it is a principal alternative to Windows and Mac OS. So people or the users who are now fed up with Windows, who don't like Mac OS and want an alternative, then Dekuve is a good alternative for those kind of users. It is free, productive and privacy respecting. It offers freedom and openness. With the open source code, there are no boundaries to ideas and innovations. You can participate, contribute and share the future with the Dekuve community. It is simple and convenient. An intuitive interface designed for effortless interactions allows you to focus on your task, making your work comfortable and efficient. It has got cutting edge technology, so advanced solutions open up vast opportunities, empowering you with the modern tools to achieve your goals effortlessly. It has got flexible customizations for the users, so extensive personalization options are available to let you adapt your workspace to fit your needs and preferences. It offers efficient resource usage. It is optimized to run smoothly on wide range of hardware, delivering energy efficiency and seamless performance. It also offers data protection and privacy. So there is no tracker to track your activity or collect your data. There are built-in tools to ensure your privacy and security and keep you protected at all the times. So now there is a world map showing the global reach and unity of the Dekuve community. So you can see, so all the countries painted in different shades of green show how much concentrated is the Dekuve user community in each of the country. For example, in USA and Russia, lot many users are there. In India also, lot many users are available. Few users are spread across Africa. Then Europe also has got a good number of users. Australia is there with a good number of users. And you can be part of the giving family, so you can donate to the Dekuve project. And there are some companies offering hosting for the Dekuve servers and mirrors. So hosting Ukraine Limited, KMS LLC and the hosting XYZ Limited are those companies. And at the bottom you have got the download section where you can download the Dekuve Debian XFC. So Dekuve is based on Debian and the XFC desktop is available and it is quite modern desktop. This is how the Dekuve desktop will look for the newly installed system. And there are two versions of Dekuve available. One is the stable version Dekuve 2.1 and Dekuve Next is the work in progress, or it is a rolling release, or we can say it is the unstable version where constantly you will get updates and newer optimizations, newer ideas, customizations will be tried out. So if you want fresh ideas, customizations, feature sets to be rolled out regularly to your desktop, you can go with the Dekuve Next. While if you want stability, then you have to use the Dekuve 2.1. So both are available and you can choose between the one you like and the one that suits you. So here you can see Dekuve 2.1 was released in 22.04, that is April 2025. Dekuve 2 was the earlier version. It was released in August 2024 and the Dekuve 0.1 colors was released in the April 2021. So it is a recent project, only 4-5 years old project is there. Now let us check out the public offer or the contract. So this is the public offer and contract. So you can go through that. It is very straightforward and simple, and you can read that, understand, and if you are confirming or if you are agreeing to the contract, you can start using the Dekuve Linux distribution for free. And of course, you should donate to such projects so that the project remains live and the developers get at least some monetary support for the lot of hard work they are putting in developing the different softwares. Now let us go over to the community page. So this is the community page. So these are all the discussions that are going. There are some tags, support, troubleshooting is there. So you can check out each of these sections of different discussions. Let us check out the tags. So these are the tags. So if you want to check out the troubleshooting section, if you got some problem with the system, you can check out the troubleshooting section where you might find already someone has raised the same question regarding the system and the answers are already available. So you can just try out the answer, that is the solution given to the same trouble that another user had encountered. So you don't need to go and ask the same question again and again. And this is regarding the different releases. So these are the section related to the different releases. This is the section for the open source. Then this is section regarding the useful apps. So you can check this out. For example, in Mozilla Firefox, let us check this out. So it is giving instructions how to install the Mozilla Firefox on your system. So you can install the latest dev version of your favorite browser straight away in terminal with this command. So it is the same command that you use in your Debian or Ubuntu system. And you can install other languages other than English in Firefox using the .deb file. So this is how you have to do. You have to use this. So $language, instead of language, you have to replace it with the language of your choice. That's it. And local also. So I think local, it will directly pick up from the language here. So you have to just change the language with the language of your choice. For example, it is Portuguese. You have to write $Portuguese. Okay. Anything else is there? Let me check. Let us go over to the support. So you can support Dekuve project with one-time donations. You can support it with regular donations. You can contribute to the code. You can help with the coding. You can spread the word. You can show off or you can review the Dekuve project with other users, like what I am doing. I am reviewing the system, that is the Dekuve Linux, for all of the viewers on YouTube. So you can help with the project like this. And these are the supporters who are helping to host the Dekuve servers and mirrors. And how to donate? So you can donate using your debit credit card. You can use GPay or Apple Pay. You can use USD or Euro for the donations. You can also donate via PayPal. So these are the names of some of the recent fans who are donated. Now let us check out what is available in the Dekuve 2.1. So you will experience a fresh and vibrant XFCE environment, a launcher that feels like magic. This is how the desktop will look. And this is the launcher that is seen here. So it looks more like Mac OS. And there is Dekuve performance control. So you can have a real-time control over your system's energy profile, making it easy to optimize for speed, battery, or efficiency. Then there is Dekuve dynamic theme. So every time you change the wallpaper, the theme will also change along with the wallpaper to suit the wallpaper. You can see it here. It is changing. So reddish looking wallpaper will change the theme also. Now you can see the bluish theme. Bluish wallpaper has changed the theme to the tone of blue. Like this. Now the Dekuve themes tool is also available. So you can change between the different themes using the Dekuve themes tool. And the brand new Dekuve web greeter is there. So when you log in, you get this beautiful looking Dekuve greeter. Just really looks like some Mac OS like thing. Very nice looking, very flat and nice looking greeter. Then the Dekuve greeter settings are also available. So you can transform your login screen with Dekuve greeter settings. You can choose between collection of videos. So you can also have a background videos on your greeter screen, or any custom MP4 video as your login screen background, adding a personal touch to your user experience. That's great. And out of box Flatpak support is available, and the FlatUp store is available here. So this is the FlatUp store, and over 2000 latest version programs or applications are available in the FlatUp store. So that's great. And plus there is a Dekuve package manager, so you can use the Dekuve package manager to install the packages of your choice. Also you can remove and install Flatpaks using this package manager. You can update the Flatpaks, you can check out the installed system settings, you can do the system updates using the Dekuve package manager. And there is a Dekuve dev installer. I think this is GDB only. So it is a smart utility from Dekuve. I think it is just like GDB, or it is a front end to the GDB, and it is used to safely install third-party dev files on your system. You can be productive on your Dekuve system. So here you can see different applications and programs are available. A complete Office suite is available, where also the project planner is also included. You can turn any phone into a pro webcam. So you have to attach your phone with the system, and you can use it as a webcam on your Dekuve system. It is using the Irun webcam application for your Dekuve desktop, and it is available on the App Store and Google Play also. Future rich operating system. So here you can see the native tiling support is also there. You can also use local send application to share files effortlessly and securely with local send. It is Dekuve's integrated solution for quick and reliable file transfer between the devices. It is available on the App Store and Google Play. KeePass X is there, so you can store your passwords and do autofill facility for your favorite apps, and you can forget about remembering a lot of passwords. Quartile tiling manager is there. You can see this is the Quartile tiling manager. Very good looking and very efficient tile manager, and makes the desktop look good, and also makes your work seamlessly smooth and very fast. F3D is nothing but a 3D viewer desktop application. It supports many file formats, including the GITF, USD, STL, STEP, PLY, OBJ, FBX, and LMB, and it can show animations and support thumbnails and many rendering texturing options, including the real-time physical based rendering and ray tracing. Then you also got Ventoy included. With the Ventoy pre-installed in Dekuve, creating a multi-boot USB is no longer a hassle. Just copy ISO files to your drive. No extraction, no formatting. Boot dozens of systems from a single USB stick effortlessly. And to protect your system, it is equipped with a powerful security layer designed to safeguard your Linux system. Run potentially untrusted applications in a tightly controlled, isolated environment. So no complex setup. So I think this is some kind of container is there available, and secure boot is also available for added peace of mind. And for entertainment, you can see here thousands of gaming titles are available. So gaming is possible on Dekuve Linux. You can also play multimedia files using VLC media player. And the front end design of the different Dekuve applications is due to the talented artists working in the Dekuve team. So name of Philip Oroni and Nick Design has been given as an example. And from here you can download the Dekuve. Also you can do torrent download. So this is the ISO file for the Dekuve 2.1, which we are going to use for our next video. There we will do the installation of the Dekuve Linux distribution, and the MD5 checksum is also available. So the minimum system requirements for the Dekuve Linux is 2 core 64-bit processor, 2 GB of system memory is minimum required, 25 GB of free hard disk space is required, an internet connection is required, and either a DVD drive or a USB port is there required for the installer media or the ISO. So that's it for the Dekuve Linux introduction. This is a brief idea for the Dekuve Linux, and in the next video we will do the installation, and the next video from that we will check out the Dekuve Linux XFC desktop, and all the features and everything will come in the later video. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.